Hey everyone, Codex here. Today what we're gonna do is take a look at Elrond's native token, Egld, to discuss the current price and to have an idea on where we might be going heading into February. We're also going to discuss the latest exciting news with the Maiar exchange. So if that's something you're interested in and you find these videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click on that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Also, make sure to join our Telegram channel where you can get some of my models and indicators for free, and let's get into this one. Now, although Elrond has got a massive dump in the last 2 months, mostly because of Bitcoin, you could still have made large profits and gains last year, given that Elrond has started the year off at about $25 and ended it at $250 after reaching our all-time high of roughly $560 back in November. And so today, we will see if this dump and this downtrend that we are currently experiencing is going to continue moving forward, or if Egld is ready to go back on track, because honestly, this isn't something new. We have experienced it here back in 2020, where we went up before going down 85%, and the same happened twice actually in 2021. So experiencing massive dumps and pullbacks after every impressive rally is something we are used to with Egld. Now, if we take a look at the KDG on the weekly time frame, we can see that the black line is still below 20 in the bearish territory. However, it's starting to go up and it is starting to move to the upside. Now, what we need right here is something similar to what we experienced in here, as you can see, and also in here. We need our black line to go again above the level of 20, with the orange and blue line having a cross between each other. Furthermore, we need the blue line to start winning its upside. Keep in mind, I'm saying its upside race against the orange line. We don't have that yet, but we are getting close. Now, the black line is at a similar level to what we had back in October of 2020, and that has ended up with us having some sideways movement for a couple of weeks. As you can see, both black lines are currently at the same exact level, and in November of 2020, as we said, the price moved in its range for more than 6 weeks. So for us to trend up again, it might take some time. And when I say trending up, I'm not talking about a 20 or a 30% pump. I'm talking about decent moves to the upside where we at least do a 60 or a 70% move to the upside. For me now, everything is still bearish. Elrond is currently still bearish. I do believe that we might experience some relief next month, and by relief, I don't mean a rally again. I simply mean sideways movement where the price can go up a bit before trending down once again. In March, the Feds will most likely talk to the public about the rate hikes, the interest rate hikes, and that won't be good for the whole cryptocurrency asset, including Elrond, of course, since the whole market is correlated. Going back to the charts and to our KDG on the 5 days time frame, it looks like we do in fact have a cross right here between the orange and blue line, which is a first bullish signal. And what we need right now is the black line to go above the level of 20, so we have a confirmation. If that happens, then we will most likely experience some relief for a couple of weeks. And as I said, a relief doesn't mean a rally, it means sideways movement and a bit of upward pressure. And we might even revisit our 50 weeks MA, which is currently at $185. It's this blue line. Now, this will keep increasing. The 50 weeks MA will keep increasing every single day. And as long as we are below it, we can't really talk about a rally. The 50 weeks MA is super important for a lot of reasons. We have talked about it in the last video, and simply, let's simplify things. The 50 weeks MA has previously kept us in bull runs and in uptrends. For example, when we fell down in 2020, our support was actually the 50 MA, and the same applies to last year's rally when we fell. So, to conclude, I do expect the price to move a bit up or at least stay sideways in February. Look, I'm saying in February, please keep that in mind. I do expect some relief around the cryptocurrency asset in general and Elrond specifically, and we might even go back to our 50 weeks MA. It's definitely possible. However, as the rate hikes will come in mid-March, which are inevitable, we might see another decline in the prices. Now, going into the news, and this is sick, I mean, the Maiar decentralized exchange will start its listing process on the 31st of January. So basically in 3 days from now. And to summarize this article for you, projects are now eligible for listings, meaning that projects will now be able to list their tokens on Maiar paired with EGLD and MIX at the start, and the pairing with the USDC with the stablecoin will come on later. There will be a bridge between the Ethereum network and Elrond's network that will enable any ERC20 token, so basically any token on the Ethereum network, to be brought on Elrond. And this is massive. I mean, this is a very decent news. So short term, the day before the launch, we might expect a short-term rally. But look, what I always say is that rallies are always misleading. I've said this many times, and I've said it before the Ride token launch and lately with Cardano Sunday Swap. Whenever there is a new thing into our space, people get hyped up and excited, and we see a lot of retail investors jumping in to get those sweet dollars in a short period of time, but at the end, the price ends up collapsing super fast. So please stay safe if you see the price going up fast a day or a couple of hours before this happens. Q1 of this year is not looking that great so far, so we will see where it takes us. That was about it, guys, today for Elrond. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, leave the video a thumbs up and a comment, join our Telegram channel, and peace.